I have a 2016 Chevy Suburban with a 5.3. It's got an erratic temperature sensor reading, and it causes the AC not to work, causes the cooling fans to run high, and the readings on the gauge are erratic. Okay, so we're going to change the sensor, coolant sensor. All right, coolant temp sensor. So you need to loosen up the clamp on the throttle body, loosen up the clamp on the air cleaner tube, remove this breather. Got to push this piece up from the bottom, push that off. Same hose on the passenger side. This one's, you push it down and then remove it, and then wiggle your air tube off, set it aside. Coolant temp sensor right here. It's got one of those stupid locks on it, so you need to remove the lock, squeeze the little tab together, pull the sensor connector off, making sure that the connector wires are still good and that they're not broken or frayed or anything like that. Okay, and then you need to do is release the pressure in the system, loosen the cap up, put the cap back on, get the right socket to fit both your sensors, and have the new sensor ready, so when you pull that one out, you put the new one in right away, because you're going to lose a little bit of coolant out that hole. Okay, I put my socket on, released the tension. I broke it loose, took the coolant cap off, and put it back on, released the pressure. So now I got that loose. Now all I'm going to do is just going to hurry up, pull it off, and put the new one right on top. I probably lost maybe a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, okay? So now that you got to try to start it in there, just make sure you had the washer on it and a little bit of pipe dope that comes from the manufacturer on it. And just go ahead and run it down and then snug it up. Just make sure your socket fits over the connector onto the 19mm hex part. It's almost where I want it. Okay, it's tight as I can get it like that, but I want to give it an extra oomph, so I'm going to use 2 hands. Okay, hold on. Okay. Alright, it hardly even moved, but alright. Unfortunately, it's in the back in the same spot the other one was. The connector facing the other way. Alright, so I get a little bit of dielectric grease and put it in there, and then put the connector back together. I put just a little tad dielectric grease in the terminal end, and then pushed it on there. Go ahead and pull the connector, see if you can get it off. It's good. Do not pull on the wires. Go ahead and spray out the excess coolant that came out a little bit. Brake clean or use some washer solvent and blow it off. And then go ahead and put your engine front air tube in, and make sure you got that in on that one, and then your hose on there. Tighten your clamps, put your breather tubes back on, and just watch for that little piece here goes inside over here on the side. Okay, it's on. Got your clamp tight, breather on. It's all set. Make sure your radiator cap's tight, the coolant cap. Okay, and that'll be it. Go ahead and get your scanner and clear the code if there is a code. All right, and then we'll complete it. Okay, so hopefully that helped you out, and hopefully it helped me out by subscribing to me, and I appreciate it. And as always, have a good time.